Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of floor cleaning with two shark mops that'll have you questioning everything you thought you knew about cleaning. On my left, we have the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop, which promises to turn water into steam faster than you can say, "I spilled grape juice on the floor." And on my right, the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001, which sounds like it should come with a side of fries. So grab your rubber gloves and let's mop the floor with some serious comparisons. Let's kick things off with the price comparison. The Shark S3501 is priced at just $89, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to clean without breaking the bank. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and effectiveness, noting that it's a great value for daily cleaning. On the other hand, the S8001 is priced at $139, which some reviewers feel is a bit steep, but worth it for the additional features. Those who opted for the S8001 rave about its performance and versatility, suggesting that sometimes you get what you pay for. Next up, let's look at their steam power. The S3501 boasts superheated steam that's ready in just 30 seconds, which has impressed many users who value speed. Reviewers have highlighted how quickly it heats up, making it perfect for last-minute cleanups. However, the S8001 offers 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep, allowing for customizable cleaning experiences. Users love this feature, especially for tackling different messes. One reviewer mentioned that it's like choosing your own adventure for floor cleaning. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty: cleaning ability. The S3501 uses 2 machine-washable microfiber pads that lift and lock dirt, and many users have praised it for effectively cleaning various floor types without leaving streaks. However, some users have noted it struggles with grout. In contrast, the S8001 excels with over 150 scrubs per minute, making it incredibly efficient for deep cleaning. Reviewers who own pets have mentioned how it easily tackles stubborn dirt and grime, making it a favorite for households with heavy foot traffic. Let's not forget about those bonus features. The S3501 comes with a quick-release cord, which is great for convenience, although some users wish there was an on-off switch. On the flip side, the S8001 has powerful LED headlights, which reviewers absolutely love. They feel like cleaning superstars when they can see every corner of their floors lit up. This feature has been highlighted as a game-changer for cleaning in dimly lit areas. Both models have their perks, but the S8001's features are often seen as more advanced. Overall, the reviews for the Shark S3501 highlight its affordability, ease of use, and effective cleaning capabilities, particularly on various floor types. However, some users mentioned limitations with grout cleaning and the absence of an on-off switch. Meanwhile, the Shark S8001 is celebrated for its powerful scrubbing capability, customizable steam settings, and innovative features like LED headlights. Users appreciate its ability to clean deeply and efficiently, especially in homes with pets. So which mop reigns supreme? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, the S3501 is your go-to. But if you want all the bells and whistles and don't mind splurging a bit, the S8001 is like the Ferrari of steam mops. Either way, you can't go wrong. Just remember, folks, the only thing that should be dirty is your floor, not your purchasing decision. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Product links are in the description.